What's up, guys? This is your boy Cyber Kenny. I'm actually out here at an Airbnb out in the middle of nowhere, just trying to get some R&R. And what was great is me and my wife were really excited to stay here. And then maybe like a day or two before our stay, Anderson Cooper came out with a video kind of discussing some Airbnbs and how they have hidden cameras. So very alarming video. If you haven't watched it, definitely check it out, even if you don't stay at any Airbnbs. Just because, it could definitely easily happen in an apartment. So, I started doing some research, and basically what I found is that what you want to do is a couple things. So first thing is you want to check like sensitive areas. So like bathroom and also your bedroom. So one of the first thing is you want to take a flashlight, because if there is a camera, it's going to reflect back at you. All right, so just kind of checking everything. So I already did a sweep here. I'm actually leaving the Airbnb today, but yeah, it's a little dirty there, but yeah, so definitely like bathroom, bedroom, and any place you think a creeper kind of hide something. So yeah, it's best to kind of do this when the lights are off. And another thing I did is I saw a bunch of these. Oh yeah, give another tour. This place is actually really cool. It's like a little log cabin in the middle of nowhere. Yeah, it's kind of crazy, right? So there was a lot of these. Let me see if I can try to find it. Yeah, there we go. These pest repellent plugs. So, I kind of like eyeballed them, checked them out. And another good thing is look them up online. Because another thing I did was I basically, if somebody's going to buy something, where they most likely to buy it is Amazon. So one of the main things are the fire extinguisher. Oh, excuse me, whatever this is. This is fire alarm. So I looked at the manufacturer here. First alert, kind of looked everything through, these pinholes, and there is some manufacturers that do make the hidden camera smoke and CO2 detectors. Luckily that wasn't one of them. And another thing you also want to do is a lot of times cameras will use infrared. So for instance, this remote control, so when you turn it on, you're not going to be able to see anything with the naked eye, but with your camera, you see that red dot, you'll be able to see it. So don't just use a flashlight and just your eyeballs. Use your camera too, because if there's going to be a hidden camera, if it's using infrared, you're going to be able to see that red light. And then last, if you're tech savvy enough, I had it set up, and my laptop just died. I had Wireshark. So Wireshark is a free network scanner, and what you do is once you get the Wi-Fi password for your Airbnb, just go ahead and scan the network. Even if you see something that you don't really recognize, just use the MAC address, either the full MAC address or the first 6 alphanumeric numbers and letters, and then you can do something called MAC Finder. It'll let you know what the actual manufacturer is. So again, turn off the lights, use a flashlight, just go around the place, use your camera, see if there's any infrareds, and then lastly, if you know how to use it, Wireshark. Wireshark is a great tool because, again, you'll be able to see everything that's running on that network, okay? All right, so just a couple tips there. Anderson Cooper scared a bunch of people, but rightfully so, because there's a lot of creepy people out there. But yeah, signing off, guys. Take care.